Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you planning to visit family or friends in Canada? Maybe explore its breathtaking landscapes or attend a short business trip. But you are not sure where to start with the visa process. Getting a Canada visitor visa approved is not just about filling forms. It's about convincing immigration officers that you will return home after your visit. In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know about the Canada visitor visa, with real tips that can improve your chances of approval. Let's dive in. A Canada visitor visa, also known as a temporary resident visa, is an official document that allows foreign nationals to enter Canada for a temporary stay. This visa is typically issued for purposes such as tourism, visiting family or friends, or short-term business trips. It is a stamp or sticker placed in the applicant's passport and must be obtained before arriving in Canada unless the individual is from a visa-exempt country. Whether a person needs a visitor visa depends on their nationality. Citizens of countries that are not visa exempt must apply for a visitor visa before traveling to Canada, while those from visa exempt countries may only require an electronic travel authorization, or in some cases, no prior approval at all. It is therefore important to confirm the visa requirements based on one's citizenship before making travel arrangements. Although the terms tourist visa and visitor visa are often used interchangeably, but there is a subtle distinction. A tourist visa generally refers to visits made specifically for leisure or sightseeing, whereas a visitor visa encompasses not only tourism, but also other temporary stays such as attending family gatherings, conducting short-term business, or receiving medical care. Despite these differences in terminology, both visas fall under the category of temporary resident visas and require applicants to clearly state the purpose of their travel. To obtain a Canada visitor visa, applicants must meet certain eligibility requirements. The most important of these is the ability to demonstrate that they will leave Canada at the end of their visit. This is primarily shown through strong ties to either their home country or their country of residence. Understanding the difference between home country and country of residence is essential. The home country typically refers to the applicant's country of citizenship or origin, where they may still maintain family, cultural, or legal connections. The country of residence, on the other hand, is where the applicant currently lives with legal status, such as through permanent residency, employment, or study. Applicants who live in their country of citizenship must show they have compelling reasons to return after visiting Canada. These reasons are demonstrated through documentation, such as proof of ongoing employment through a job letter, pay stubs, and an employment contract, ownership or rental of residential property, active bank accounts and financial investments, close family members, for example, spouse, children, or parents residing in the home country, enrollment in an educational institution, responsibilities such as caring for dependents or managing a family business. These documents collectively demonstrate that the applicant has personal, professional, and economic obligations that require their return. For applicants who currently reside outside their country of citizenship, it is crucial to establish strong connections to their country of residence. Strong ties to their country of residence may include legal immigration status, for example, permanent residence, long-term visa, or work permit. Steady employment or enrollment in a long-term academic program. Ownership or lease of a residence. Utility bills or tax filings in their name. Bank statements showing regular income or savings. Immediate family living with them, for example, spouse or children. Involvement in local community, such as memberships or volunteer work. If applicable, applicants may also include evidence of remaining ties to their country of origin, for example, elderly parents, inherited property, or long-standing family commitments, further reinforcing their intention to return after a temporary stay in Canada. An invitation letter from a family member or friend living in Canada can further support the application. This letter should clearly state the relationship between the host and the applicant, the reason and duration of the visit, and whether the host will provide accommodation or financial assistance. It should also include the host's immigration status in Canada. Although an invitation letter does not guarantee visa approval, it adds credibility to applicants' plans and can be a helpful part of a strong overall application. The strength of an invitation letter can depend on whether it comes from a close family member or from a friend. A letter from a close family member, such as parent, brother, sister, child, husband, or wife, is usually considered more convincing. Immigration officers often see visits to close relatives as genuine and based on strong family relationships. These letters usually give a clear and believable reason for the visit and may include documents that prove the family connection. A family member is also more likely to provide financial help or a place to stay, which shows that the visitor will be looked after during their time in Canada. On the other hand, a letter from a friend may not be as strong. While it is still accepted and can support the reason for the visit, the applicant might need to give more proof to show that the friendship is real and long-lasting, especially if it is a new or casual relationship. This could include messages, pictures, or records of past visits. Immigration officers are usually more careful when the invitation comes from a friend, especially if the applicant does not have strong ties to their home country or the country where they currently live. Applicants sometimes question whether prior international travel is necessary to qualify for a Canadian visitor visa. Although previous travel to countries such as the United States, United Kingdom, or Schengen area may indicate a positive travel history and compliance with visa conditions, it is not a mandatory requirement. First-time travelers may still be granted a visa if their application includes strong supporting documents, clear travel plans, and compelling reasons to return to their home country. Canada offers both single-entry and multiple-entry visitor visas. A single-entry visa allows one entry into Canada and may permit re-entry under specific conditions, such as if you travel from Canada to the US or St. Pierre and Miquelon and are returning directly to Canada from there. A multiple-entry visa, on the other hand, allows multiple entries to Canada during its validity, which can last up to 10 years or until the passport expires. Unless you ask for a single entry visa, your application will automatically be considered for a multiple entry visa. The final decision depends on factors such as the applicant's purpose of visit, travel history, and ties to their home or country of residence. In summary, A Canada Visitor Visa allows temporary entry for tourism, business, or visiting family and friends. To be successful, applicants must present a clear purpose for travel and demonstrate that they will return home after their visit. This is done by establishing strong ties, either to their home country or to their country of residence. These ties may include employment, family responsibilities, property ownership, financial stability, and community involvement. A well-prepared application, supported by an invitation letter if applicable, greatly improves the likelihood of approval. If you found this video informative, let me know in the comments, and do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.